Google Pay provides a simple new way to replace paper tickets with more convenient visual tickets that can be saved to your customer's phone. It is suited for businesses of all sizes and doesn't require any additional hardware to scan or validate tickets. The user can purchase and activate the ticket on Google Pay anytime. Once activated, the ticket adapts to display an animation, an increment in time and date, and a color set by the integrator, together creating a visually unique ticket that is easily identifiable from a distance, allowing for social distancing and quick validation. You can learn how to generate these new visual tickets on our partner development site. It is now up to you to take your ticket experience to the next level and provide a convenient and safe way to manage tickets for you and your customers. Follow us on Twitter to stay up to date on Google Pay developer news.